Nurse!
So
Chat.
you play Batman song for one
Chat.
man, I know you gotta play a gospel song for blood clot me.
Chat, we are
Do you
here
feel
to
like your
play a
blood
game.
clot
We're
more
not
than me?
here to do mix up and drama, okay? As I said, the lower score got to leave.
Well,
Simple.
nobody not playing a blood clot game. This look like Playhouse. This look like McDonald's blood clot Playhouse, Coolie blood clot boy. Well, me have
I don't
4C blood
entertain
clot
those
here.
stuff.
I don't have Coolie here.
Leave it, baby, leave it.
She not tell me I.
So, chat, as me I say, you know, make sure get our smoke and come play. And that me come from, me come for war, me not come for no bag of talk. That can't work
I
now.
don't smoke. I don't smoke. I drink. I don't drink.
Yeah, you come for no bag of Ray, you know.
Nurse! Nurse!
You take pill for two?
Yeah!
A whole lot.
Bumper
A whole fucking lot.
Rika,
Yes, Cholo.
Rika, where you from?
I'm from Sherlock Crescent.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
What's wrong?
I want something stiff.
Later.
Oh, the fuck that going on?
Fuck.
No, sir. Rika, you alright? Rika, come on for this, Jaden.
Rika, that I first reaction me do to when me did just see her too.
Jaden take no Rika. Hey, Rika, don't fuck with my MACKEREL. Hey, girl. Mama, we class say no. Oh.
I'm a girl too. I'm a girl.
So we class say decent too.
I'm a baby.
Mackerel look like saltfishes. Yo,
Jaden.
It's all them all time so.
Mackerel, what baby?
Right now, I'm corporate tonight. I'm sitting here arguing with
It's like a cockroach.
soon we could be one journalist, boy.
Journalist.
Yeah.
Journalist with blood clot.
We can argue with your son. You know, be that kind of.
Leave Kai alone.
You come not go and say one of them mother they watch we pick through and refuse you when they are.
We can always spoil up our family.
She wanna add me over here for Canada. They not give them
Who
money.
are the ass fuck with girl? Me are you?
Well, they not give them money, you know. They like get Jaden have a brush. We use a brush in the bottom. They not give them money.
You know, when go talk, say, in suck with and cover his face. Where you from?
Who she suck and cover her face?
Me don't know. So what I tell you?
That me just said I got ask.
Be a mix up. Awa.
Make she jump. So, what you got going with over there?
I want to go on now. Did I Friday the 13th?
Yeah, I need to get the medication now.
I have it. I gotta take the one that make me sleep like one baby tonight. You see, girl.
Oh, yeah, what's up?
Yeah, not already. Before me.
My dear.
I want to get the Tavi, see? I want to get the medication yeah, over there to Tavi.
You want what?
Get to Tavi.
What that?
The medication when you were over there, so. My daddy over here step on live and drill.
Hey, what's going on, E-Box?
What's up? What are you doing?
I'm just chilling, you know. Hey, y'all. Hello.
This is Shay, this is Rika, you know. Top rankers.
Okay.
Keep your
Hey.
hand on that trigger, shorty.
Okay, period. Don't play with it.
So are you being
Salam
messy?
alaikum. Oh, you Muslim. Salam alaikum, my sister.
Wa alaikum assalam, girl. I'm doing good, but I'm trying to start my show, and it's just like I think a lot of her people are over here, and they're just mad right now.
What are they
I
saying?
don't know how they got here. Yeah, they're all just angry right now. Huh?
Shay, she's talking about Rosalie, you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
Rose's over here.
Rosalie.
Oh. Okay, one Shay. That's
Yeah,
your
so
name. One Shay. Nice to meet you. And then Racode World. Okay, period. Nice to meet y'all. Yeah, it's a lot going on right now. So you know, I got a busy.
what's going on? What's going on?
It's just a lot going on.
You can talk to me.
No. I think I should just leave it because.
If you don't feel like talking to me, you can talk to Rika.
Well, I think I just need her team to leave now because it's kind of getting out of hand in my chat.
What are they doing?
They're just angry. They sound angry. They pissed off. I don't know why.
Whose team is over there?
Can't say.
Who?
Rosalie.
Best shape?
Rosalie.
They're just like her. They look like her. They shape like her. And they smell like her. You understand?
Oh my God.
They're angry like her. Like they don't know no better. You understand? They behave just like they master. You see how she look just big and blah.
Oh my God.
Ghostbuster. Blah.
Oh my God.
Blah.
I don't know about this. I don't know if this is good. I don't know if this is good. Oh Lord, we love TikTok Shop. We love TikTok Shop. Yes, we do. Okay, I'm gonna have to put on some.
We love TikTok Shop too, Trigger. But look what's in your name, Trigger. Trigger.
Yeah. But you know, I can't get too gangsta. I'm fasting. It's Ramadan.
I know you fasting. This is your time. I know, but I would do it for you. I'll bust it for you, sister.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's what's up. Where you from?
They blobs. They blob. Blah.
Oh, okay. That's what it is. Yeah. E-Box, you being messy today.
No.
I was big and me to stay good. When they can't come over here and say me the big and thing there. Share one to them. That's a one thing them can't say me the big and stay good. Cock up and stay right and ever have a man. A man never pose up with me and go on like him never want me. My man them ever want me. I want to you know. Me share blood clot man. Man never share me. Come lick up my body wall.
All right, Trigger, let me explain what she's saying to you.
What did she say?
She's saying that the woman that you was playing with big, fat, and sour and don't have any shape like water, and she behave like just like how she look. That's what Rika said.
I don't know if I can be in this. This is bad. I gotta go.
Oh, you see how water is? You see like when it's a flood and it's all over the place. The water all over the place. Blah.
Them not this Jamaican, and Rosalie make them a blood.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Bye, Trigger, baby.
Bye. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you too. Mwah.
Get piece of mix up, though.
Love friend and company, Rika.
Oh, Trigger.
You blood clot, but Trigger.
And nobody turn like you, you know. And nobody turn like you. Sometimes play pocket. Sometimes I play pocket over here.
Mix up.
Rika and a mix up. God. Mika.
You know, Sir Jaden, are you first met me get in an argument over here? You know that, Shay?
Me?
True.
You know that?
With who?
I'm me dep on everything.
Me?
And you know, Sir True in a back from nobody, me I go war.
Who make you cuss?
You.
Nah, man, Rika, I bring out the truth in a them. Cause them not like every true, darling.
Jaden Dixon.
No, because
What them over there accost the woman for? What them over there accost her for?
No, man, cause me no know. She has a Rosalie team out there accost her.
Nah, them not for do that. Them stay bad. Them cholesterol high.
Oh God, man, Rosalie's a good person, man. Oh God, no bother with that, man. She just, I'm tell you, you have just, no,
I don't like to talk about people I don't fuck with, Jaden. Somebody said, Rika, you favor iguana. I could never. Look at me, baby. Look at me. Now I know you're bad mind. I favor iguana? Are you crazy?
Rika, how old are you?
I'm 43, nigga.
You look younger than she.
Well, fuck your mama, where you have.
Dominique, you work with the blockings, you know. Poor Dominique. Dominique, baby, you work today. From your come on, you work.
The amount of time I get that, I'm tell you that now.
Why you do that, Shane? You know his situation. He don't know his mom. Jaden, do you want my left boob?
Yeah.
Because you know you don't have a mother figure. I can be your mom, you know.
So what if
I'm here, madam.
so what if me would turn up Rika?
I'm here, madam.
If it turn up, you take a cold shower in either one of my bathrooms.
What's the matter?
I'm here, madam.
He's not old enough to be your son.
Mother
Yeah.
love.
I'm giving
Not
madam.
mother love.
Me a sex.
Well on, what? Rika, you not like it, Rika? Oh, you know what?
That's my problem. What we do?
Oh, you don't want to fight the war?
Yo, you're so mixed up.
The big war that man. No man,
It's a
Rika.
J-
No, for real, Rika. Anytime we had him, he would jump. You see what I say? He would jump. Emily, what happened?